Hello people. As the number of COVID cases is increasing exponentially with over 2 lakh cases being reported daily, the end of this pandemic is nowhere near. The world is desperate for a vaccine and Russia claims to have found one. This claim by Russia gave everyone hope, but did Russia actually find a vaccine for COVID? Is this a potential vaccine like the other ones? In this episode, we'll tell you some facts about this vaccine. This is Rohit and you're watching The Think Tank. Let's have a look at the first fact. In all likelihood, Russia could have completed only the first phase of the human trials, so at best it can become a potential vaccine that needs scientific calls and approvals. But Russia's Sechenov University claims it has successfully completed clinical trials of what it describes as the world's first corona vaccine. On the 7th of July, WHO, which is the apex body of the public health, told the media that vaccine was still in the first phase of human trials and must undergo 3 to 4 more trials to be deemed safe. There are 21 other vaccines that made to the WHO's potential vaccines list, but only 2 of them have reached the advanced stage of human trials. They are Sinovac from China and the University of Oxford. The other one is AstraZeneca viral vector vaccine. Let's have a look at the second fact. The main researcher of the Russian university claims that all human trials of the vaccine have been completed, but only 40 volunteers were involved in this study. But as per the WHO standards, phase 2 requires at least 100 volunteers and phase 3 requires hundreds to thousands across regions and countries. This again tells us that the Russian vaccine has only completed the first phase of the human trials. The trials for this Russian vaccine began only a month ago on June 18th. This means that only in a month, Russia has declared the vaccine fit to be given for humans. According to a research, a corona vaccine may take up to 10 years to be developed fully and has only a 6% chance to enter the market. The most recent vaccines for malaria, Ebola, dengue took at least 4 years to be developed. Even if the Russian vaccine has tremendous potential, it cannot be declared safe for human use so soon. Therefore, the Russian government's claim to have found the vaccine is just a misrepresentation of facts and a premature claim. We would like to know your thoughts on this vaccine. So comment your opinion in the comment section below and do let us know. Until next episode, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you so much for watching.